Assalamu alaikum students. Here is your computer teacher Maria Mumtaz, and today we are going chapter exploring databases skill number 7 on page number 101. So here in this skill we will going to learn how we can use these two symbols, which is greater than and less than. So today we will learn how we can use these two symbols by creating a query and entering a criteria. For First of all, I would like to clear this that these two symbols works the same way as they work in the mathematics. So you all are pretty much known by these two symbols, and today we are going to use this in Access in databases to explore data and to create a query. So how we can do this? I would like to show you here your database file, which is Microsoft Access. In this, I have created a superhero database. Here it is, and by clicking on the table, here you can see the database of superheroes. It is the same database which is given in your books page number 92. So if you want to create this your own database, you can do the same as I have done. It is given in your books page number 92. You all know how to create a database, how we can create a table, how we can design a table, and how we can draw these fields, and how we can add a new record. So here in this skills, we will going to learn only how we can use these two symbols greater than and less than is a criteria to find a query. You all know before creating a query, we need to close the table first and then click Create tab. You will find here a query design button. Click it and a pop-up window will appear. Add this table and then click Close. From here you can select all the fields you want to know about. For suppose on the page number 102, here is given activity 7.3 in which you need to create a query about the superheroes who has height less than 170 centimeters. So for this, you have to select the superhero name field, then the gender, and on the next you have to select the height field because your query is related to height. So after selecting the fields, you need to enter a criteria here in the criteria row in height column. What will be our criteria? Because we need to find those superhero names whose height is less than 170 centimeters. So we need to enter a symbol of less than and then enter 170. It is your criteria. Okay, after after entering criteria, you need to click on the run button here, and then you will find a query answer which is a subset. Here you can see all the superhero names, their genders, and their heights, which is less than in number 170. Same as if you want to save the query, you can save it by going to the File tab and then click on Save As. But if you don't want to save the query, just close it from here. Yes. And then click again on the create tab, because in the same activity 7.3 we need to create another query about the height of those superheroes who have more than 170 centimeters. Create query design button. Again, you will find a pop-up window appeared here. Click add and then close. Select the fields from here. You want to know the superhero name, so it is mandatory to select the superhero name field, then gender, and after the most important, height, because the query is based upon height, so you need to select height field. After selecting it, here is the criteria row. Goes here and enter your criteria in the height column. What will be your criteria to find a query about the height more than 170 centimeters? So you need to put a symbol here and enter 170. Okay, so after creating a query and entering your criteria, you have to click on run button here. Yes, so here you can find the answer of your query, which was about the height of those superheroes who have more than 170 meters in height. So here is the superhero names and the gender and their height. So this is your activity 7.3 for today. Stay tuned for the more lectures. Okay, thank you.